Hey everyone! Want to hide your Instagram following and followers list? Here's what you can actually do. First of all, open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile. Now, tap the three lines in the top right and open Settings and Privacy. To limit who can see your followers and following list, you'll need to switch your account to private. So tap Account Privacy, then turn on the Private Account option. Once your account is private, only people you approve can see your followers and following list. Anyone who isn't following you won't be able to view them at all. There's one important thing to know. Instagram doesn't allow you to hide your followers or following list from people who already follow you. But switching to a private account gives you full control over who gets access. That's it. Your profile is now more private. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Instagram tips.